Here's the car in winter mode. The X-Ice 3s, it's about 20 degrees out. Here's the truck. Fucking hate winter. Oh well, this is what it is. She's whistling real good right now.